Drew, I'm starving. Wouldn't mind a Big Mac, but I can't get into town today. What am I going to do? G'day legends, how's it going? Trev here from Trev's Life, and on today's video I'm going to cook my version of a Big Mac here at Can Kookaburra. Rightio, first thing you do when you're making a Big Mac is you knock up the secret sauce. So what we've got is equal parts sweet mustard pickles, 1/3 of a cup. In she goes. Secondly, 1/3 of a cup of mustard. Slap it in like that. Thirdly, 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. In she goes. Right, on top of that, you whack in 1 spoon of white vinegar. You see in this camera, lady? In with the white vinegar. And now, there's 3 spices. It's always been the same. First of all, garlic powder. 1 teaspoon. In she goes. Next thing, paprika. 1 teaspoon. And finally, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Rightio, it's easy as that, guys. Have a look at this, camera lady. Then you get it, you mix it together. Check out that colour. That's the colour of the traditional Big Mac sauce. How delicious is that? Right, now let's get to toasting the bun. Rightio, gang, we've made the sauce. Now it's time to toast the bun. So, into the pan, we've got the middle of the bun buttered. We've got a middle of a bun, which is out of a second bun, and the bottom. In she goes, just like that. And we'll get to sizzling. Righto, gang, 2 minutes in. Flip these buns. I'll get back to you in 2 minutes. Righto, gang, 2 minutes on each side. It must be good looking. The smoke's following me. Alright, let's put these bad boys on the side, like so, and get the meat going. Alright, this meat is, I've made 2 patties, 125 grams each, of premium beef patties. There's nothing in them because I'm sticking to the original recipe. In she goes. 1 and 2. Give that about 2 minutes. We'll give it a flip and then we'll hit it with some salt and pepper. Right, again, 2 minutes in. Let's give these bad boys a flip. Oh, smoke. Alright, now we hit it with some salt and pepper. Just like the lovely people at McDonald's do. Salt. And pepper. Right, that's going to take about 1 more minute and then it's done. Righto, gang, it's time for assembly. So, we get the base, we get the center, we get the top. Now, first of all, on with the famous secret sauce. Ooh-wee, look at that. Now, what do you reckon, camera lady? On with the patties next. Let's get them up here. Rightio. Patty number 1. Patty number 2. Oh, this smells amazing. Rightio. Now, on with the thinly sliced lettuce. Let a bit hang over so it looks pretty in the shot. A little bit of finely cut onion. Whack it on there like that. Then pickles. These pickles are a bit small, but that's alright, that's what we had in the fridge. And I'm not using plastic cheese, I'm using my favourite cheese. What sort of cheese is this, camera lady? Tasty cheese? Tasty cheese. Rightio. Now, put the middle on there like so, and then on with the crown. Look at that. Alright guys, does that not look pretty bloody amazing? Alright, we'll get back to you in a sec with a taste testing. Righto gang, that took bugger all time. Look at that beautiful homemade Big Mac. And I've officially got the reddest eyes in the universe because my firewood was a bit green and she was a bit smoky. But anyway, let's have a taste test. Here we go. Oh yum. Oh yeah. Oh, you can taste that secret sauce. You can taste the garlic powder, pickles, cheese. Oh, one more. Oh wow. I think camera lady's a little bit jealous right now. Right again. That is how you make your very own Big Mac at home at Camp Kookaburra without having to go into town. Alright. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da!